Okay guys, today we're making another video. We're going to be getting the top speed of my dirt bike. Here's my dirt bike. Well, we're going to be trying. We don't really have a lot of room to open it out on, like, to go from the end to there. Shout out to DigiHut. We're using them to get the top speed. Sorry if you can't see it that good. We're going to be getting a better camera, hopefully. And my friend's going to be videoing. And I'm going to put the DigiHut in my pocket. And then, so, there we go.
Devin, you still have a stick on your bike? No. Do you still have a stick on your bike? Yeah. I don't have a stick on my bike.
Look what he done. Smoke everywhere. Dude, there was smoke everywhere in that dirt.
Okay guys, don't video her. We're gonna try this like one more time because it didn't work.
Maybe it's the speed limit. Move, Taylor! Maybe it's the speed limit like when you go like a car speed limit.
We're gonna try it one more time, guys. If it doesn't work this time, I'm probably just gonna ride around a little bit and give it and they'll video me riding around. Hopefully it'll work this time.
Dude, so there's a problem with the camera, like, when you're over there, I can barely see you on the camera, it's so far away. Like, your Uncle Barney's house, look at this. Look how far it is. And look how far.
I'm sorry if you can't see, yeah, and it just didn't work this time, guys. I guess I'm just gonna ride around in the yard a little bit. I'll try to do, I don't know.
Really?
Hopefully we will get a better camera, guys. Not for sure. We've been wanting to get a GoPro really badly. When I get enough money,
Did Devin leave?
Yeah. I told him to leave.
And he just got here. I don't know his writing. Move. Look at this dirty dude. Here he comes. Gonna jump it. Oh, he jumped that. Move. 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 Baylor was in the way the whole time. But dude, you know when you jump that, like I couldn't see you. I could barely see you on the camera.
You need to go somewhere.
Baylor, you need to go somewhere.
If any of y'all have like a little sister, you know how hard that is. She doesn't listen enough.
What is it called? Like a devil or something? What is she called?
Diva. She's a diva, guys. But if any of y'all know like what our future videos should be, post that in the comment section. And if any of y'all know what the top speed of a TTR 125 is, post that too. I guess that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you're new, make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.